Good afternoon. Here's Miss Zoe, aka Princess Zoe. She is enjoying her time in the cubby in the office, and she does not want to look at the camera. But she has no idea what we're doing tomorrow. She will be driving to Oregon. Hopefully she'll be this happy. Yeah, look at you. Zoe, look at the camera. She does not like looking at the camera. I don't understand that. There you go. I look at you. There you go. Oh, she's a nice kitty. So we made it to the Space Age Travel Center. It's our super nice truck stop with the A&W. And lots of good food, I think. Salads, chicken, you can get whatever you want. And it's like 50 miles from Oregon. But there's our truck, trailer. And we're gonna go see how Zoe's doing. Well, it is 5:20. We made it to Wasco, Oregon. Got gas at the Easy Trip. It's actually a nice travel plaza. And the driveway is doesn't have a steep slope like the other places in this little town. And they have a super small area where you can park a trailer for a little bit. And a truck area over there. And on the other side where the windmills is Washington. But Zoe's taking a little break. We thought she wanted to eat. She did eat a little bit, and now she's trying to sleep, but we got to put her back in the truck. We got like 2 more hours of driving. Maybe hour and 40 minutes. But so far we're making it after our issues this morning, which I will talk about in a different video. It took us 3 hours to get out of the parking lot where we store the trailer. It was horrible. Almost didn't think we would make it. There's Zoe in the cupboard above the beds. This is our mess. Just have totes full of stuff. She's glad. She's gonna be happy when we're saying when we're going for 7 nights. She'll be happy. Won't you, Zoe? So we made it to our campsite, and Zoe sees something out the door. But you can see it looks much better now. Yeah, she was sitting so nice on the couch, but another RVer is backing in a couple rows down, or spots down, and she's watching them. But this is the first time we've actually had full hookups in the 2 years we've owned this trailer. It's only the second time we've used the trailer, so it is kind of exciting. I'll be here a whole week. It's only $375 for 7 nights. Can't beat that. So here are some teepees you could rent at the Wildhorse Resort east of Pendleton. And there's a campsite over there. You can camp in the trees there, parked by the fence. And there is the main hotel and casino and everything. It's really neat. And then here's a little check-in office and pool for the campground. Yeah, so we're staying 7 nights here. That's only $375 for 7 nights. That'd probably be the price of like 2 or 3 nights at the hotel during the week. On the weekend, that's probably like 1 night. They were busy last night. So they're already booked for the roundup next year. Like, you can't even get spots. Wait list. The big rodeo in Pendleton. It's really neat. So the golf course is straight ahead on the edge of the campground. I'll try and get some video of that. It looks really nice. So they have a lot of pull-through spots here, which is really nice. So here is the golf course. They have a clubhouse bar and grill that's supposed to be really good. Oh, and there's a car coming. Surprised they don't have a sidewalk along this road. This is super nice. Wow. I love this golf course. Looks really fun. Look at all the sand traps. Wow, I was saying there was people camped out here overnight in their trailers and vans in this parking lot even. I see a bunch of them in the parking lot right now. Oh, look at that. That is incredible. It'd be neat to see like a pro tournament out here, I think. Wow. That is cool. I can't believe how many fountains and little ponds they have here. Really neat. Got a big parking lot. Clubhouse is huge. It's the Wildhorse golf course. Ah, so pretty. There's our practice putting green. Yeah, this is incredible, this place. Really neat. Outdoor patio to eat on. This is way cool.